Hey everyone, so in this training or set of trainings, I'm going to go over the Lite version of Mod Studio and specifically the collection and catalog dealing with the physical items that we could have print on demand. We're going to teach you how to do this on Slingly, and we're going to show you other platforms that you could easily do this on, but you're going to have access to both the digital and the physical. Okay, so really quickly, let me just give you an overview of Mod Studio, and then we're going to jump into each other module. So this is our viewport here in the center where the shirt is, and you can see over here on the left hand side there is our catalog. That's what's selected up here. We have catalog and downloads. Our catalog is selected, and in our catalog we have these currently 8 items at the time of making this video. And you could click on any of them and it will open up that item, and so you can see that now we have the sweatshirt opened up, and you can see that that's the one that's selected over here. Over here on the right hand side we have a drop down menu, and we just have a few samples in here just to give you something to see. And this is the logo, the mod logo, and here's a different version of that, and we're quickly just changing it here for demo purposes. And if you want to take that and you want to go advertise for mod, go ahead and do that. Take these and put them on your DAZ characters. That's what these are going to be built for. I'll tell you more about that in a little bit. But take it and do it whatever you want. Do with it whatever you want, or as you please. If you don't want to use one of our templates, or after you've used one of our templates, you're going to want to use your own templates. And so that's what this area is here. You're going to be able to upload. You can just drag it here, or you click on the upload button and choose an image. I'm just going to choose one quickly from what I have here. Matter of fact, I'm just going to open up my folder a different way so I could drag it on here. I'm just going to drag maybe this background. Let's see what that looks like on here. So this is Adobe stock background. Let's use it for something else, but let me just drag it on here, and you can see that it's there now. It has the name there of the file. It's Adobe stock file, and now it is here in my drop down menu. Remember, it wasn't there a minute ago, but now it is. So I would select that, and there it goes. Now my shirt has that item on it. Okay, and so when I have my shirt all done, it has my template on there, or the design that I want to put on there, and I'm all done, I can just go ahead and click export, and I can export it as a GLB, and then in another video I'll tell you how to use that. All right, so I'll also tell you more about templates, and I'll tell you how to edit, and I'll tell you how to get a lot more customized here in other videos that are going to be with this one, but for the sake of this video, I'm just demonstrating each little piece. So now let me jump back over here. We have catalog, and then we have downloads. So let me click on the download section. In the download section, we have 3 different buttons currently, and there may be more when you're watching the video later on, for each one of the items. So for the t-shirt, we have the PSD, which is the Photoshop file. We have a PNG, and then we have the OBJ. So the OBJ I'll tell you about in a later video. The PNG and the PSD, basically those are your templates, and they're the exact same thing. This is the PNG version of it. You see these little layout, editable template areas. That is what's also in the Photoshop file, so the PSD file, but broken down into layers. So this is its own layer, this is its own layer, and this is its own layer. And I'll go over that a little bit more later in another one of the videos. Okay, so each one of these items has that. So if I wanted the t-shirt, which would be this item, here's the t-shirt here, I can come over here to downloads, and this is the t-shirt PSD, PNG, and then the OBJ. And again, I'll tell you again in a later video what the OBJ is for, how to use that. But in short, it is for uploading or importing, to DAZ Studio, DAZ 3D. These items here, all right here in the physical catalog right now, fit DAZ 8 models, and so we gave you the OBJ so that you could take it over to DAZ and put it on a model if you want to. Okay, if you are looking at this on mobile, I will have a whole separate video to show you this. That's all on AR. On mobile, you'll also see down here in the bottom corner of your mobile phone a little square button, and when you click on that, it'll open up the AR view. I'll explain more about that. If it doesn't work, I'll tell you how to fix it in the AR video, so that's going to be down below as well, or with this collection of videos. Okay, so that's it, I believe. That's the overview. We have the catalog, we have our downloads, we have our viewer, we have our drop down, our drag and drop, and our buttons. Now below, or with this video, you'll find a video that goes over each one of those pieces more in depth.